When you're working with lots of different sessions running at the same time, it may become difficult to navigate through them using their name in the tabs. That's where the tab group and the tab group bar feature become helpful. It eliminates the need to dig through your taskbar to locate the session you're interested in. First, to be able to view the tab group bar, you have to go to File, under Settings, in User Interface, go in Advanced, and find Always Show Tab Group Bar. So you want to activate it. Click Save. Now you'll see that it added the tab group bar here. So whenever you have multiple tabs open from groups, that's where they'll all be showing. If you wish to hide it later, you can go in the ribbon under View, and you'll find the tab group bar over here that you can activate and deactivate. Now, let's see how to create a tab group. The tab group settings are found in the user interface side menu of your session properties panel. Right-click on the entry you want to add to a tab group and head over to Properties. Go to User Interface, and you'll see a section for tab group. Now, let's start by deciding if we want our tab group to be custom or inherited from the folder it's inheriting from. In my case, I'll do custom. Now you have to decide the tab group name. So if there's already tab group created, you can click here and it's going to list you all of the existing tab group. If you wish to create a new one, you simply have to enter the name. So in my case, I'm doing a tab group for RDP session, and you click update. So endpoint 01 is now in the tab group RDP session. So if I launch the session, you'll see that it now has the RDP session tab group in the tab group list above. So if I open a new session, let's open endpoint 02. If I click on the RDP session tab group, it's only going to be showing me the endpoint 01 in the tab bar because that's the only session in the RDP session tab group itself. If I go back and click all, it's going to show me the endpoint 02. What's nice about this feature is that you can put all of the 7 endpoint in the same tab group and open another type of entries. I can always create multiple tab group and have different tab group name in the list and navigate through them without having all of the open session or open entry in the tab itself. Now, if you go to View, you can also use the tab groups button here. That's basically opening you a new window for the tab groups as a list. And you can also use the tab list button. It's basically showing you the name of the tabs that are open, and they are sorted with the tab group that we've created. So RDP session endpoint 01. If you wish to add multiple entries at the same time to the same tab group, you can always select multiple entries by clicking on them from the navigation pane while holding Control. Then right-click on one of them and go to Edit, Batch Edit, Edit Entries. Then you go to User Interface and do the change from there, and it will apply to all of the entries selected. If you want to know more about Batch Edit or other information about the tab groups or tab lists, I invite you to consult our documentation and knowledge base articles.